In this video, I will show you how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription in mobile. Now first, if you started it in mobile, then what you can do is simply open up the ChatGPT app, click on the three lines in the top left, then go and click on your name and profile picture in the bottom left. And then here on the third line, you will see subscription, go and click on it. Now in this case, I didn't start it on my phone, so therefore you can see inside of the app so therefore for me it says this. For you, if you started it in the app, you can cancel it here. If you started it on desktop, just like me, what you want to do is just go to chatgpt.com and sign into your same account, and also click on the three lines in the top left. And then again, click on your name and profile picture in the bottom left. Then from there, click settings, and then here it will take you to general, but you want to go to account. And then here you can see currently I am on ChatGPT Plus. Just going to click manage, and from there you can then click cancel subscription, and from there confirm it, and then it will be cancelled. So that's how to cancel your ChatGPT subscription in mobile. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.